Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to extra year in name from date in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, you open your Excel document file. Firstly, select your all date. Now for copy, then keyboard press from the Control C. Then press from the Control, paste from the Control V. That's okay. Now extra layer from the name of date. Now select your all. Now keyboard press from the Control on. Now click with the custom. Then type from the remove. Then type from the 4y. Now click with the OK. That's okay. Then we show the extra year name from date in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.